guys, what's up? So it's that time of the year again where the Ipsy Icon box has come. This is the summer box for 2023, so if you'd like to see what's inside, then just stay tuned. A little disclaimer, Ipsy did send me this box to try. All right, so the Ipsy Icon box is a quarterly box that comes 4 times a year, and inside you get 8 full-size products. The first product in the Icon box is this Amica The Cure Multitask Repair Treatment. This is densely packed with Bond Cure technology as well as vegan protein to strengthen the hair, reinforce the cuticle, and prevent future damage and breakage. And after I rinsed this treatment out, my hair felt so much more soft than it did before, and it also held a curl way better. Next, we have the Magic Serum by Joanna Vargas. And this is a nourishing and soothing serum that harmonizes and strengthens to support the skin's radiance. And you basically just apply 1 to 2 pumps to clean dry skin, AM to PM, and it's good for all skin types. Next in the Icon box is this Aloe Glow System Magnesium Reset Spray. And this is an aromatherapy soothing mist for the body and mind. Basically 3 pumps of this dispenses 45 milligrams of magnesium and a bunch of other good stuff. I have not tried this yet, so I'm gonna do that right now, but I think you're supposed to do this before bed. It says, spray onto skin and massage in, focusing on areas of tension or fatigue. For recovery and relaxation. This says that skin readily drinks in restorative vitamin C, blah, 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 blah. Basically for yummy Z's and quick relaxation is what it says on the back. But we're just going to go ahead and spray it anyway. I'm just going to do it on my arm here. Whoa, that's the totally wrong way. And then massage that in. Ooh, so that's really aromatherapy smelling, very, very nice. And I can just picture myself putting this all over my body right before bed. That's really, really nice. Next in the Icon box is the SL Miss Glam Trio Sponge Set. And this little set is so super cute. And obviously I used one today, so it is dirty, but there is the shape of that one. So we've got this one right here, and these puff up twice their size. And then one that looks like this. That's really easy to get underneath the eye. And then we've got this big one like that. So look at that. It doesn't even fit in there anymore because it's puffed up twice its size. But yes, I love all the shapes. And these are so like soft and just blend that product right into the skin. Next in the Icon box, we have the Toy Factory Sunset Squalane Powder Blush Palette with a built-in mirror. There are 4 shades in this blush palette. Here's what the palette looks like, and then opening it up, it looks like this. And I do have this on my cheeks today, and this palette is so pigmented, you guys. Next, we have the Wander Beauty Sky Liner Duo. These are automatic gel eyeliners, and there are 2 in here. One in the shade Tan Line and one in Jet Black. And they look a little something like this. And I do have these on my eyes as well today. Next in the box is the Huda Beauty Legit Lashes Mascara. And on the outside of the box here, it says, you deserve the best lashes, and we solemnly swear to give you major volume and to always provide dramatic curl and insane length. This is one mascara, but it has 2 wands. So one side is for your volume, and it looks a little something like that. And then the other side is for your curl and length, and it looks a little something like that. Last but not least, in this quarter's Icon box, we have the Lawless Beauty Forget the Filler Lip Plumping Line Smoothing Gloss. This is in the shade Rosy Outlook. I have tried this gloss before, you guys, in another box months and months and months ago, and I absolutely love it. The wand is kind of curved, so it fits right to your lip. Well, that is it, you guys, for this quarter's Ipsy Icon box. Let me know down in the comments below what product was your favorite or which one you hope to get. I just want to say a big thank you to Ipsy for sending yet another box to try, and thank you guys so much for watching. Remember to live life in color. Please like the video if you like this, subscribe if you want to see more, and I'll be back with another video very, very soon. Bye, you guys.